Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are building this LeetCode question series for the SQL, and today we are going to solve question number 569, median employee salary. So what is given to us? An employee table with 3 columns: ID, company and the salaries. We need to write a solution to find the rows that contain the median salary of each company. While calculating the median, when you sort the salaries of the company, break the ties by ID. So we have to generate this output. Let's see how this output is built. Let us consider all the employees in the company A, and let us sort all these salaries as well. So the 15 will come up, 341 will come here, 513 will come here, and 2341 will come here, and 15,000 will come here, and 451 will come here, 513 will come here, 451 will come here. So we have the salary in the ascending order. So how the median is calculated? If the number is even, the median is always n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. That is 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 1 4. So these both rows will participate in the median. That's why the answer is this 451 and 513. What about the sixth one? Let us see for the sixth as well. If we just do the salary in the ascending order, this will come 13 first, then 15, then 234, then 1154, then 1221 and 1345. Since the number of rows are even again, so these two rows will participate in the median, 234 and 1154. If we talk about the C, let's see C as well. If we just do the salary in the ascending order, this will come something like this: 2345, 2645, 2645 and 2652. Since the number of rows are odd, we have to just take the n by 2 plus 1, which comes out to be this row. I'm taking the floor n by 2. So this will come 2645. So this is the way we need to calculate the medians. So we just have to return the rows from which the median will be calculated. Let's see how we could do this now. Let me just remove this row and just paste all my columns here. Okay, now what we need to do, also let me just put it here so that I do not come in the visibility. Firstly, I just need to have a sequence. Like this has to be 1, this has to be 2, this has to be 3, this has to be 4, this has to be 5 and this has to be 6. This is the sequence which needs to be generated when the salary is in the ascending order. I cannot rely on the ID because this ID will be jumbled up when I am trying to order on the salary. So I will generate a new sequence with the help of a row number window function. Once I have this column, I need one more column with the column count. I'm going to use a count window function and I'm just going to tell you 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. Similarly, for this as well, it will come the same. And if I run the same both window function on this C, of course, the partition by will always be on the company. So this will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this will come 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. So this is the way these two window function will run, partition by company. Of course, order by salary ascending order. Now we need to do some mathematics to calculate the median row. How we are going to do this? Let's see. We will first check whether the count is an even number or an odd number. If the count is an even number, then I'm going to divide this count by 2 and whatever the number is going to come, that will be the median. Suppose I divided 6 by 2, I get 3. Then I will check which of the sequence is equals to 3. That will act as a median. And I will say this is a median. Also, if the count is even, not only divided by 2 is the median, I will also say divided by 2 plus 1 is also a median. I'm going to check that value with the sequence. Let's see for the B case, because the count is 6 here as well. I'm going to divide it by 2, then I'm going to tell 3 is the median. But since CT is also an even number, I will say 6 divided by 2 plus 1 is also a median. Now let's see how the C will work. Since C5 is an odd number, I will just say divided by 2 plus 1 is the median. When I'm dividing by 2, I'm taking the floor, not round or seal. So 5 divided by 2 will always be 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and this will be the median. So this is the condition I'm going to write after I'm able to produce these two columns. Once I have all these three columns, I'm just going to put a where clause where the median equals to median. Of course, this column is also median and the value is also median. All other values will be null. Now let's go to the data grid and try to write this solution there. I am in the data grid. I have already created this table employee and also inserted the data. Now the first step, I am going to find the count. Of course, it has to be over and partitioned by company, order by salary ascending. And I also need a sequence number. How we generate a sequence number? With the help of row number over partition by company, order by salary ascending. As sequence. If I run this query, I am getting these two columns. I am able to get these two columns. A, the salary is in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 for this A part, and the CT is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what we want. Okay, the count is not proper. I do not want this order by because the count is in the running. This is a running count. I do not want a running count. I just want the total count on the partition. I have done a mistake here. I am just going to remove this order by clause because this order by gives me a running count. I want a total count of the window. Now it's perfectly fine to me. Now I need to wrap this query like this and try to write further condition on this query. Case when mod of CT2 is 0, this means that the count is an even number. Then I have to find n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. They will be participating in the median. How I'm going to check this? And I will just check sequence equals to floor of CT by 2. If the mod is also 0 and the sequence is equals to this, then median. Similarly, when mod of CT by 2 is equals to 0 and sequence equals to floor CT divided by 2 plus 1, because both are median in case of even number, then median. But what if it is an odd number, that is CT divided by 2 gives a remainder of 1 and sequence equals to floor CT divided by 2 plus 1, because in case of odd number divided by 2 will not work because 5 divided by 2 will comes out to be 2. I just want a 3 number there, so that's why CT divided by 2 plus 1, then it's a median, otherwise it's nothing. Else I'm going to do an empty and as median. If I run this query, See, I'm able to get these two as a median, these two as a median, and this as a median here. For the C, because C total number of employees are only 5, which is an odd number. Now as the question becomes quite very easy, what I have to do, I'm just going to wrap this like this. By the time you know that I always wrap this query like this, we could also use some common table expression to solve this, but we could do this as well, where y dot median equals to median. If I check this, I will get my results. Which column I need to print? Let's see this. I just need to print ID, company and salary. ID, company and salary. If I check this now, I get proper results. Hope you got the clarity. If you do not, then please write in the comment section. I will try to produce another video to explain this more precisely. Now let's go to the LeetCode and try to submit the solution to check for the syntax errors and also for any failed test case. I am in the LeetCode and I am trying to submit my solution for the syntax errors. See, this is a hard median question on the LeetCode, but because we know these window functions, even the hard questions becomes very easy. There is no syntax errors. Let's try to submit for all the test cases. Yeah, we are able to submit our solution, and of course we are able to just beat 5.08% of the users. Let me just try to submit one more time. See, I'm able to beat 58 now, and let me just submit one more time. I'm able to beat 100%. So I've already told you this is a problem from the LeetCode. If you're liking the content, then please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video to all your friends. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.